Okay, here we are in front of this great house in Sosua Ocean Village. So there is, on the first level, there's the kitchen, living area, and 3 bedrooms. And then upper level, there is an office and also a rooftop terrace. You can see as you walk in the front door on the left, there's a storage area. Going through the kitchen is here, great island. Really nice finishes. Here we have the living area with a walk-through onto a covered terrace. Dining area, living room. At the far side of the kitchen, there is a spacious laundry room with a sink. It also houses the instant hot water heater. The kitchen is really well laid out, and we have some really nice light fixtures in this villa. On the far side of the kitchen are the 2 guest bedrooms. Let's take a look at those. So on the right, there's the first guest bedroom, large enough to easily a king, but at this point there's 2 full-size beds comfortably. Second guest bedroom is here. Right now it's laid out as a media room, but definitely a bedroom. Every bedroom has air conditioning, and the office has air conditioning upstairs. Full closets. Between the 2, there is a guest bathroom. Beautiful tiles and finishes. At the far end is the master. The master has sliding glass doors leading out to the deck and pool area. Very spacious with an ensuite bathroom through here. Very nice ensuite. Again, great tiles, nice finishes. Definitely a lot of attention to detail in this villa. Sliding glass doors off of the living room onto the back deck. We have a mounted TV. Because we spend so much time outdoors, definitely most people pay special attention to outdoor living space. So you can see here there's a dining table, an outdoor living room, large TV mounted to the wall, barbecue, outdoor kitchen, sink, all overlooking the pool. So you can see the pool is here with an outdoor shower. Shallow ledge where you can put your lounge chairs. That's the walk-through onto the master bedroom. And again, here you can see this great outdoor living space. On the far side of the living space are the stairs which lead up to the office and the rooftop terrace. So going up the stairs right here to the office area. There we go. You can see the office space right through here. Large room. This can also be a bedroom. At this point, these specific owners are using this as an office space. It's a nice space, definitely large enough to accommodate a king-size bed. Again, air conditioner, fan. And then we have another set of stairs leading to the rooftop terrace. Let's go check that out. You can see we've got great mountain views here. Sunset's right there, that's west. And the stairs leading up to the rooftop terrace are right here. And of course, we can't beat these views. So coming up to the rooftop terrace, you can see there's fantastic mountain views over here. And the sun actually sets, that's west, so the sun sets right there. All around, lots of activity in Sosua Ocean Village, as you can see. However, all these lots are sold. And one of the caveats on the land purchases was that the builds had to be done within 24 months. So certainly within a year and a half, this will all be completed. Over on this side, we have ocean views. A new Mexican restaurant called Santa Fe. It's right here. So there we have it. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a really nice outdoor sitting area with a barbecue, outdoor kitchen, sunset views, and ocean views. So with this villa, we really do have it all. It's a fantastic location in Sosua Ocean Village.